Now, that's some long ass chain. What to do? We think of the problem. The chain is too long. So what do we need? We need a shorter chain. Can we shorten the chain? 20,000 pounds a piece. We got some air compressors. 8 chains, 8 bonders. That's what they want. That's what we're gonna give them. I need to get home. Got a doctor's appointment on Thursday and Friday, which is leading me to tell you guys, if you hear some grunting and you know, some grunting and moaning, it's me working through the pain. I've been in severe pain in the past 2 months, literally standing still, sitting down, standing up. So if you guys hear it, it's just because I'm working through it. It is what it is. It's not going to stop me. The day my body stops me from doing what I got to do, put me on the ground. Y'all know what it is. It's Choicemas. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Hot as hell out there. Whoever said the Northeast don't get hot is lying. Shit. Damn. Why did I leave that bottle in the sun? Shouldn't have did that. Thank you to all of the subscribers that leaving positive comments, that continue to support me. I appreciate you guys more than you know, being patient through my absence, because I'm a compulsive thinker and sometimes I gotta dial back a little. But besides that, I really appreciate you all. You guys know who you are. Maybe I'll do a video and shout some names out, but I don't really want to shout some names out because I'm scared I might lose some. I'm afraid I might leave somebody out. I don't want to do that. So just know it. I really and truly appreciate it. And creativity is my passion. I'm not in the creative space. It's no good. So doing these YouTube things, like I said, I've said it before, I don't do it to tell people what to do and how to do it. I just do it to take you guys with me, follow me, do my journey. If I can inspire one person, that's amazing. Someone can learn from anything that I do, that's amazing. And another thing, I've met a lot of good people through this channel, and I'm thankful and grateful for that. So with all that said, let's get to the job because it's hot as hell out here. That's another thing. All y'all newbies that want to get into flatbedding, just know you're going to be dealing with the elements, the sun, the rain. It doesn't stop, and we can't stop for it. So sweat, blood, and tears, you either like it or love it. You don't do flatbed just because. That's some long ass chain. What to do? We think of the problem. The chain is too long. So what do we need? We need a shorter chain. Can we shorten the chain? Absolutely. The problem is the chains are too long. The solution is we need a shorter chain. So let's shorten the chain. So at this point, that's our short chain. This is all excess. Problem was the chain was too long, so we shortened the chain. That's the solution. No, I've never done this before. Didn't know what to do, but it'll be locked down when I'm done. Y'all dealing with them snap-oners? Get your yourself a heavy cheater bar. Quick tip, so you don't freak out if you're ever doing machinery or anything with wheels or so forth, so you don't start spinning around your head and being like, oh, why is it so loose? Why is it so loose? Because you haven't locked down the other side yet. So it's able to pull. Once you lock down that other side, this shit is going to get taut. The torque is going to be here and there. So don't go crazy thinking, oh, this is too loose, I got to get it tighter and tighter. You'll be here forever. You got to go to the other side, lock that side down, and then check all sides. But I guarantee, especially with ratchet binders, I got that ratchet binder over there. Once I start ratcheting it down, this is already good. This shit ain't going nowhere. But when I ratchet it down, this thing is going to be tight. Tight as hell. So, again, it's not rocket science. Just keep moving. Remember what I said about that 90-degree angle? How many of y'all know what a 90-degree angle is? Please tell me you know what a 90-degree angle is. Like the corner of a square, L. You know what I'm saying? See that? That's a 90-degree angle. When it's at a 90-degree angle, rule of thumb, is that's when it's usually tight enough to lock down. If it's up here, that's on a lower link, you want to need more strength. You might need to be Hercules to do that shit. And if it's like a 45-degree angle, it's going to be too loose. Right? Beautiful. Let's get to them ratchets now. Chain up the way. Bruh, you know what I'm talking about? Damn, that shit gets me hyped. That's what I'm talking about. That's good money. Yeah, let's get it. Get it. Get it. Like butter. Lock it. I don't know what to say.
Where you going?
good. We good all around. Tight. Tight. Look, tight. Tight. Oh, I think we need to move this. Take a walk around. I'm gonna take a walk around the trailer. Make sure we ain't leave nothing. Make sure no nothing's gonna fall off the trailer that they put there. Everything is good. Look, everything. Tight. 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 So what was the problem? The problem was we had a long chain. The solution was to shorten it. No, we can't cut the chain, but we don't need all the chain. It's called rigging. It's a lost art. It's a lost art. Used to be people that used to come on job sites just for that. I worked with a old man in the Brooklyn Navy, not the Brooklyn Navy, down in Brooklyn. He's from Jamaica. His name is, they call him Mr. Johnson. And when I tell you that man was in his damn near late 70s, he could move something by himself that 4 young men couldn't move, just because he knew how to rig and use the chains and the chain falls, and he could get a 12-foot pipe by himself all the way down the galley, just because it's a lost art.